Welcome to Waynesville on Route 66. So we just left St. Robert and we're headed out to Waynesville on our tour of the Ozarks in Missouri. We're seeing all sorts of incredible Route 66 places all throughout here. We're headed down to Waynesville, which is the birthplace of the byway. Now this road here on the way to Waynesville, this is the 1926 to 1950 two-lane road, Route 66. Up here is our frog, Mr. Croaker. Right here, roll down the window for you. There you are. Hello, W.H. Croaker. Welcome to Waynesville. So this frog rock, it's a natural shape. Discovered in Route 66. It was widened out to 3 lanes here. And every October, the first Saturday, is Frogtoberfest. Hey, we're entering Waynesville right here. The best way to see this town is to kind of turn right here at the Civil War site on Lynn, or right here at the clock tower on Benton at Route 66. And walk around town a little bit and see some cool stuff. All right, so now we're in Waynesville of the Ozarks. This is Route 66. That's west. All these beautiful buildings on this road. Hopper's Pub, Wayne Gifford. These cool buildings. This is headed east. We're going to head up to the top, and all we're going to do is do a loop around this little old downtown square. Hey, check out this beautiful giraffe stone house on the hill. So right before you get to Waynesville, you're going to see our beautiful Waynesville welcome sign. Great little flowers there. And here we got our Blue Star Memorial, a tribute to the armed forces that have defended the United States of America. Hey, so we got some really cool buildings here. Look at this one. With all these shake in the front. So this one here, with the little gable roof there, that's called the George Reed Building. Anyway, this guy here is built in 1911 by George Reed, the local postmaster, to house the post office. It's a 2-hipped roof building. It's concealed by this false front to hide it, so we can't see all the beautiful stonework up there. So Reed's office and apartments are located on the 2nd floor, and I'm not sure if the post office is really down here. Now the other side of the George Reed Building, I'm not sure if this is actually the same building, a little bit different. It's got those square windows up there and this green awning, so it might be the George Reed Building. But over here, this is called the Old Stagecoach Stop at 105 North Lynn. This guy here is listed in the National Register of Historic Places. It's the oldest standing structure in Pulaski County. It was built around the mid-1850s. Originally it had 2 log cabins and later was rebuilt with wood in the southern antebellum style, kind of like on a plantation. And it served as the stagecoach stop for the Burden and Woodson State. Also ran as a tavern during the Civil War. It also served as a hospital for the wounded soldiers. And in 1982, it was such bad shape, it was condemned. But the local citizens, they saved it and restored it to its former glory. And now it's a little museum, stagecoach stop museum. Oh, and here's a bunch of information on a plaque. You want to know more? We're going to head out this way, down this street. Look at some more cool stuff. We got Security Bank and little jewelry store here. Abstract Title Company, Paradise Deli, Miller Real Estate Inc. down the road. Hey, we got a great little park gazebo here. Maybe set up a little concert. Play your tuba. This is dedicated to Dotson Sutton, your grandson, Benny Doolin. Great little town gazebo. The rooster right on top there. On Benton, we have the Rubidoux Plaza Mall. But this classic building here, unbelievable. This is Rigsby's Station and Home. This is our classic Route 66 1920s building. It was built in 1924. It was the home of Claude and Eva Rigsby. And Claude, he ran a Standard Oil service right in front, right out here, pumping gasoline. Up until 1957, they also had a gift shop and a restaurant inside. And the restaurant and the service station were torn down. And now it's just a little patio area for sitting. This little marker on the bench from the Rigsby family. It's our Standard Oil gas station. Isn't that cool? So you come down Route 66 here, and then you pull in our little gas station. You got a little plaque here that tells us all about it. All right. Waynesville, Route 66, Missouri. All this information. So it used to look like this, and then this, and now this. Beautiful. So across the street here on Benton, this is our Waynesville Civil War fort site, an historic marker. It's already 4:30, so we got to be ending the day soon. Route 66, right out here. And this marker is a spot of the 1862 fort built by the Union forces under Colonel Sigel, who took the town and guarded the telegraph line, the wire road. The skirmish between the Union soldiers and Confederates, bushwhackers, destroyed a lot of the town. And then the fort was demolished in 1865. Now this building here is a little museum for the county. And of course we have our Route 66 little marker here. Right? Probably from Roman Rich. Now we're going to head down the town this way, down Route 66. Cross a bridge, check out a couple more things. So headed west on 66. If you make a left up here, you get to Roy Laughlin Park Trail of Tears Memorial. We're not doing that today. This is the Rubidoux Creek Bridge, built in 1923 to replace an older steel bridge. It used to be on North Street just to make the road straighter. It's a concrete arch bridge. If you look underneath, they widened it in 1939. Then up on our right, we're going to find the Bell Motel, just on the right up here. Hey, this building here, it's the former Bell Hotel. Now it's a funeral chapel. So you check in, you can't check out. It's the original home of Judge Robert Bell. He knew Route 66 was coming through in 1925, so he turned his house into a hotel. And he ran it till 1937. So the shape of his home is pretty much the same. The balcony and the windows are gone. 3 stories, little extra suite-like floor on the top. That's the Bell Hotel with Judge Robert Bell. Over here, this is the Bell's Cafe and Sinclair gas station and cabins. Right here, this is once a cafe. It had a camp with 9 cabins on the station area. Also had a garage and sold Sinclair gas. Today it's a little floor shop. This original canopy right here used to cover the gas pump station. You pump gas, go on your merry way. And over here, it's an old gas station. Margie's Head Shed Salon. little rock pattern building. The gabled roof on top. Right there. A gas station for us. How about that? Look at this building. Anyway, there's all sorts of real good, cool stuff all up this road here of Waynesville. But it's getting late, so we're going to head out to our campground in Gasco's Ark called the Gasconade Camping, an RV. So anyway, thanks for watching this great video of Waynesville. And there's so much to see, I don't think I could do it all in a day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.